Welcome to Tech Mini Zone, today's video where we'll explore 7 proven ways to earn money easily. Whether you're looking for side hustles or new income sources, these methods can help you reach your financial goals. Let's begin. 1. Freelancing. Post on camera. Freelancing. Start by offering your skills and services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, freelancing provides opportunities for extra income. 2. Online surveys. Post on camera. Online surveys. Participate in surveys through websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to earn cash or gift cards in your spare time. 3. Affiliate marketing. Post on camera. Affiliate marketing. Promote products on your blog, website, or social media using affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to earn commissions on sales. 4. Dropshipping. Post on camera. Dropshipping. Create an e-commerce business without inventory. Sell products directly from suppliers to customers, only purchasing when you make a sale. 5. Stock market investing. Post on camera. Stock market investing. Consider investing in stocks or ETFs for potential passive income. Research and long-term planning are key to success here. 6. Content creation, YouTube/blogging, post on camera. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or blog on a topic you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing as your platform grows. 7. Gig economy jobs. Post on camera. Gig economy jobs. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash offer flexible opportunities. Provide transportation or delivery services on your schedule to earn extra cash. Conclusion. Host on camera. There you have it, 7 proven ways to earn money easily. Remember, success often comes with dedication and persistence. Choose the method that suits you best, and take action today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.